Namaste. Uh, as you might have seen in my previous videos, I have got two of these books, and I am going to try my hand at coloring them. If I use my normal gel pens, they might not be enough, and I might run out of ink. And if I don't have a refill for that, then I might have to end up doing with more than one color, and I don't know where it will end. So to be on the safe side, what I have done is that I have ordered some pens, and they all are black pens, and I have also ordered some refills. So let's see. Yeah, so these are the pens that I have ordered, and these are the refills for this. So this is supposed to have 12 pens, and this is supposed to have 12 refills. So I know I should not say this, but when anything says made in Japan, I somehow tend to trust their technology a bit more. Anyways, so let's see. So this is how the pens are. This is the tip, and actually there is, if you see, I'll try to show you sideways, there is a tip cover. So if you see, nothing is getting written on my hand because there's a tip cover on this. So it's made of very soft rubbery kind of drop of gel or something like that. So after I remove it, I will be able to use it. And once the refill is once the ink is over, I don't have to throw away these pens, I just have to refill them. So since I have 12 pens and 12 refills, I'm sure I should be able to get quite a lot of it done. I actually wanted to order at least 1 size, but I couldn't find it, and then I thought, well, maybe I just uh, will need to do a little more scribbling with 0.7, because I think it would be quite thin. But it is also true that even if I do find a small area, I should be able to color it properly with this. So let me get started, and I will keep on giving updates. I don't want to do the whole video recording, because I think even with the time lapse it would be too much, because these are very big pictures. So let's come back with the next update. So a quick update. I decided to start from the center, and I'm actually glad that I ordered this 0.71, because this one itself is like barely fitting in it. So if I would have ordered maybe the 1 it would have actually come out. And as you can see, the progress is quite slow, but that's because I'm trying my best to have a steady hand and not mess it up a lot. However, on the other hand, the ink is flowing quite smoothly, and it's very dark black, so I'm actually liking the effect of the laying out. So I think if I am successful in completing this picture without messing and, you know, putting the ink in the wrong place, I think the end product should look quite good. So let's catch up in a little while. Update. What I'm realizing is, firstly, my hand is not as steady as I had expected it to be, and this is actually a lot more difficult than it looks. And I am sure glad that I ordered like a dozen of these pens and a dozen of refills, because it's very slow progress. And I think if I would have used the normal coloring gel pens or felt pens, I don't think one would have been enough for one picture. So let's see how it goes. I'll give you another update in some time. So few more lines I have completed. You can see something is starting to form. So slowly progress is happening. I can see some more lines starting to appear, and also here I can see something is starting to appear progress. So let's meet at the next update. So next update, I have finished it till here, and I can see actually a picture starting to emerge from this. So new update, today is Saturday, so already Friday is over and even Saturday is over. I just colored something else in between because I really was getting very tired coloring this. It's very straining on the eyes, and now daylight is getting over, so I'm finding it a bit difficult to see the lines clearly. Maybe I'll stop for the day, and I doubt if I'll be able to complete this on Sunday, so this probably will get carried forward to next weekend. So let's see how it goes. So it is Sunday morning. I had started this on a Friday evening, and I have managed to color only this much. But we can actually make out the shape on this. And sorry for the shaking, but I am feeling too lazy to put this on a tripod. But yeah, I'm enjoying the process. Let's see how it goes. So I have progressed this much, and it's almost evening. Um, but due to summertime, maybe I'll have some more light. The problem is that you need really good light for this kind of activity. So let's see if I can finish it today. So final update, I have actually finished this, or at least I think I have finished it. I don't know. As you can see here, there is some blank space, and I'm not sure I should color that because I cannot find the connecting line to that one. So I think the reason why that has happened is because I started the coloring from inside out. If I would have started it from outside, then this is what I would have considered as my first starting point, and then the picture would have been the other way around. So probably all this white space in between would have become black. That being said, I am satisfied with the effect. My hand did become a lot more steadier as I went along, but it's a bit messy. It's not as it doesn't have the finesse that I would have liked it. Also, an update on this pen. I am super glad that I had purchased this. This is a good investment because if I would have done this picture with my normal gel pens, believe me, I think I would have run through more than three. And this one still has ink left. I don't know how much, but since I have the same pen, a dozen, and a dozen refills of the same shade, I think it will be enough for this whole book. I also have one more book of the same series, which is of the animals. So I think I will use this same pen for all of those. I'm not going to experiment with other colors and all because I don't want to run out of color. I have seen it happen to other people, and then they have to use other colors to complement that, and I really don't want to go through the stress of doing that. This looks good, and I think I'll stick to it. So thanks for watching. I will put a link for this book and these pens and the refills that I have used for this coloring in the description box below. And if you are interested and you would like to try this out, then I would request you to use the link in the description, as it will not cost you anything, but I'll get a small commission if you do purchase through that link. If you have not yet subscribed, then please do subscribe, and thanks for stopping by. Have a nice day.